Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss questions based on the permutations. Permutations topic we did yesterday. Now today we will revise some questions based on this. So first question is, find the number of different 8 letter arrangements that can be made from the letters of the word daughter, so that first part is all the vowels occur together and second is all the vowels do not occur together. Now you can see we have to make a word of 8 letters out of the letters of the word daughter, and it also has 8 letters. So out of 8 we have to use 8, right? But the condition is all the vowels occur together. Now how many vowels are there in daughter? A, U, E. 3 vowels are there, right? So what we have to do? We have to make such our words such that all the vowels occur together, but they can be in any order, right? So now what to do? As we have to use the letters of the word daughter, then what we will do? We will make the pair of, not the pair, group of letters which are vowels, right? So as there are 3 vowels in it, we can see, so we will treat the group of vowels as one group and left are 5 consonants, right? So what we have? One group of vowels plus 5 consonants. So total we have now 6 different objects. So the number of permutations of 6 different objects will taken all at a time will be 6p6. You all know 6 objects are there. 6 we are taking at that time. So what will be it? 6p6. 6p6 is always equals to 6 factorial. So 6 factorial is always equals to 720. So total objects are, total number of ways of arranging the our words will be 720 with vowels occurring together. But as you can see, A, U, E, we have 3 vowels and we made one group of A, U, E. But that group can further be in any order, right? It can be in AEU, it can be in AUE, it can be in UAE and many other forms. So how many forms it will take? Let us see. Now the group of vowels can be further rearranged in itself in 3 factorial ways, because our 3 vowels are there and we are taking 3 at a time. So it will be 3 factorial ways. 3 factorial means 6 ways. Now out of these 720 words, we can arrange each word in 6 different ways. We can arrange each word in 6 different ways. So how many words we will have? 720 into 6. So each word out of 6 factorial equals to 720 words can be rearranged in 6 ways. So total number of permutations, vowels occurring together will be 720 into 6, which will be 4320. So this is the number in which the vowel, this is the number of words in which all the vowels are occurring together. Next part was all the vowels do not occur together. So total minus the number of words in which vowels are occurring together. So total you have now total number of permutations minus the number of permutations for which vowels are occurring together. Total you have 8, our 8 letters, right? So 8 letters taken 8 at a time will be number of permutations. So it will be 8 factorial. 8 factorial minus the number which is having the number of words which are having vowels together, which will be 4320. So solve this, you will get 36,000. So this is what? This is the total number of permutations in which vowels are not occurring together. Second question, how many of distinct permutations of the letter Mississippi do the 4 eyes not come together? कितने ऐसे permutations, how many permutations distinct we will have with the letters of the word Mississippi such that 4 eyes not come together? So same we will do here also. We will take the number of permutations with I together and we will subtract it from total number of permutations. Now total number of permutations here will be the number of digits, number of our letters, that much factorial upon the factorials of the numbers in which the letters are repeating, right? So here you can see in the word Mississippi, S is repeating 4 times, I is also repeating 4 times, right? So how many total number of ways we can rearrange the Mississippi? It will be 10 factorial by 4 factorial into 4 factorial, right? So solve this, you will get 6300. Now we will solve the number of ways, we will get the number of ways in which the vowels will occur together. Now what to do? Make the pair of vowels or make the group of vowels. So all the vowels, I is the only vowel in the Mississippi and it is repeating 4 times. So if it is repeating 4 times, we will make the group of 4 I's, right? And 4 I's and rest numbers, letters which are M, S, P. S is repeating 4 times, M is single time and P is also single time. So how many we have now? S 4 times, M and P. So 6 and one group of I's. So 7 different objects we have now. And what we will have the number of permutations, it will be 7 factorial by 4 factorial. Why 4 factorial is there? Because the letters in we are taking in that S is repeating 4 times. That is why it is 7 factorial by 4 factorial. So 7 factorial opened up to 4 factorial. It will be 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. It will be 210. So this is the number of permutations in which I is coming together, right? But in this we made the group of I's, right? We can change I's, then also it will be no matter, it will not matter. Why? Because I's are all same, right? All I's are same. So what will be different in it? Nothing. So we will not bother about it. So total number of permutations of 4 I's coming together is 210. Now subtract this 210 from the total number of permutations, which is 6300. Subtracting this, you will get 4090. So this completes your permutation chapter. Just revise all the questions of the permutation chapter, and if you face any problem, this completes the permutation exercise. And if you feel any problem in the permutation exercise, you can consult with me anytime. Thank you.